In this video, I'm going to show you how to share project information and assign tasks to a client for a project. Here I have a project here called New Idea Proposal. My client is GlobalX, and the first thing you want to do is go into your project and let's check to make sure that we're actually sharing with my project information with my client. In this case, I am. It says enable client users to view basic project information. That needs to be on if you want to assign your client to tasks in your project. You also must have that checkbox checked. This other one here lets you override the defaults for what shows and doesn't show. There's a whole other video on that. So you can see I'm ready to go here. The next step is I need to go to my project resources. And let me go find my customer. And then in this case, I have a user called customer login. I must add them to the project in order for them to see this. And I've done that. You can see here I have my own internal people from Project Insight here. And then now I have my customer is logged in, has a login, or is now has an association here. This customer now will have access to see this project as well as to have tasks assigned to them. So if I want to assign a task, I can make a new task here and then edit my resources. I'll see the customer now is a choice there. So if I save the task, this task is now going to be assigned to the customer login user. When they log in to their home screen, they'll see it. One other really important thing to note is that the company must match the client. So you can't just assign customer logins to any project. They can only be assigned to projects that you have affiliated with their company. So this is kind of a safety feature to make sure you don't accidentally share the wrong project with the wrong client, and also it helps just consolidate everything for you. So when the customer logs in, I'll show you that New Idea Proposal will be in their view. I'll switch screens and really momentarily to show their view. So I've switched screens and now you're seeing the client login view. You can do this yourself if you're a system admin by impersonating your users through the admin. There's a whole other series on that. You should be familiar with that if you use Project Insight a lot. But you can see there's that new task that I assigned from the proposal. The client can see that now, and they can also see this new project here as well. So I have 3 projects I'm now sharing with this client. And if they click on one of the projects, they can see the detailed information about that project from here.